High flow rates. Designed to provide exceptional flow rates and a consistent flow of oil to your engine. Versatile compatibility. Designed to operate with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. Protect your engine. Pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes most harmful contaminants. Extensively tested. Laboratory tested to ensure excellent capacity and burst strength. Easy to remove. Fast and easy wrench-off removal. Heavy-duty construction. Heavy-duty canister for outstanding durability. No hassle warranty. 1-year limited warranty. High capacity. Withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. Top reviews from the United States. Easy 2007 Sportster 883 replacement. Harley OEM filters are worthless and impossible to remove. The K&N designer that came up with the socket removable filter should receive the Nobel Prize. Genius idea. Just don't install them with a socket. Perfect fit for 2007 Sportster 883.